So it's time to buy your first house. You're wondering what the steps are. Step one, you need to get pre-approved. You need to talk to a lender, unless you're going to pay cash for a house, which most people need to get some financing. Get your financing in order so you know how much house you can afford. Step two, you've got to find that dream home. You need to know what your wants are and what your needs are. Now, there's a big difference. Wants are, oh, I would love to have a fireplace. Needs are, I have to have a 3-car garage because I want to keep my boat in there. Or you have to have 3 bedrooms because there's 2 of you and you need an office, whatever it might be. Needs and wants are different. You need to know the difference. Okay, you've got your financing all set up. You found the perfect home. It's time to make an offer. Well, as your realtor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you know what the approximate value of that house should be by looking at what's called comparables. Let's say it's in a standardized neighborhood of 3-bedroom homes with 2 baths, a basement, and a 2-car garage, and they're all about 1,200 to 1,500 square feet. Well, that's going to be pretty easy to find out what the approximate value of that home should be, and we'll make an offer accordingly. Is there going to be some negotiations? Well, sure. We're going to possibly, depending on market conditions and how perfect that house is, your initial offer may be at list price or even over, or it may be slightly under. That's what I'm going to help you with. I'm in the market every day, and I understand what type of offers win the negotiations so that you can get the house that you would really love to move into. Your offer got accepted. You've now got a contract on a house. You've got financing that is in process, but we really should do a home inspection on the house. This is going to be a time period, usually 5 business days in the Illinois standardized contract, unless it's negotiated differently, that you'll have 5 business days from the date of contract to do a home inspection. Now, you're going to hire a professional home inspector. That's what they do. And they're going to go into every single room and test the outlets, check the windows, go into the crawl space, go into the attic. They're going to go on the roof, check the chimney, the fireplace. Anyhow, we're going to make sure that house is what you believe you're buying. And hopefully there's no surprises coming up. You don't want to move in and have an unknown surprise. Congratulations, the home inspection went great. You're buying a beautiful house. Well, your financing has to be finalized, so you need to do everything your lender is asking you to do. Are they asking you to submit some paperwork, submit some tax returns? Get that in a timely manner. Let's face it, if they're going to be handing you a check for $150,000 to $300,000, they're going to want to know that you're able to pay them back. All right, congratulations, it's closing day. First thing that's going to happen is we're going to do a final walkthrough on your house. We are going to go through, myself as your agent, you as the buyer. We're going to go through the house. I prefer to do it an hour before closing. So if closing is at 10 o'clock, we're going through at 9 o'clock. We're going to do a walkthrough on the house and make sure that, let's say when the couch was moved, they didn't put a hole in the wall. Everything is removed from the garage and the yard that should be gone. Everything is there that should be there. And then we just move on to the title company where the paperwork will be waiting. You will sign it. You'll get your keys. Congratulations. It's your house. Hey, I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team. Let's help you get into that new house today.